Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean your fan and dust your fan here. If you're getting dust in your room a lot and you're not sure why it could be happening, you might need to dust off your fan here. We run the fan a lot in our room. And how I do it is I just use like a microfiber cloth here. It's got some water on it. Yeah, so you can see it's got a lot of dust on it. And that one has a ton of dust here. Let's see if I can actually look up on top here. So yeah, it's just kind of pretty dusty on the top here. So what I usually will do, just take the rag, pretty simple. And yeah, it's a lot of dust there. And after I do this, I tend to vacuum the room as well. Like bring it around this way. And I just go ahead and take the cloth and kind of start at the top here. And I'll kind of go down like that. And I'll try to kind of scoop up what I can. And then at the end, I kind of go along the sides here and clean that. And I'll do another pass just to make sure I got everything. Is you want to go ahead and dust this off first. Off the fan blades, and then you would dust the items in the room, and then you would vacuum. And I usually wash the rag out after about 2 blades. You might have to do it after each blade if it's really bad. Yeah, this one here, that looks pretty bad. So we'll just go ahead and wash it off, wring it on out, and then do the rest of the blades just kind of like I did them. The most dust you're gonna actually find on these is along the sides here, and you'll be able to see it from the ground. And it just the reason that happens is because as it's turning, the dust in the air is kind of clinging on to this area here. So if it's turning this way, you'll get most of the dust on this side of the fan. But it's just an interesting little tidbit there.